Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. The question here says solve the inequality x minus 3 over 4 plus x plus 1 over 8 is greater or equal to 2. Now, for us to solve this, the simplest method of clearing out fraction from this inequality is to multiply each term by the LCM of this denominator. So I have 8 and 4 here. The LCM is 8. So I'm going to multiply each term, including the right hand side, by the LCM 8. So that will give me 8 multiplied by x minus 3 over 4, then plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1 all over 8, and that will be greater than or equal to 2 multiplied by 8. So each of the term has been multiplied by 8 so that the fraction can be cleared out. So 8 divided by 4 here, 8 divided by 4, I have 4 here 1 and 4 here 2. And then this 8 we cancel 8. And then we can now move on to say 2 multiplied by this. So that will be 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Then plus here I have only x plus 1 left, and then that will be greater or equal to 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So if I expand this bracket, it's going to give me 2x minus 6 plus x plus 1 is greater or equal to 16. So if I collect terms in x, I have 2x here, and then this is positive x. I bring it close to it together, that's positive x, and that will be greater or equal to, this is 16 on the right hand side already. This negative 6 goes to that side, becomes positive 6, and this 1 here, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes negative 1. So 2x plus x will give me 3x, and that will be greater than or equal to 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 minus 1 is 21. So in order to obtain x, I simply divide both sides by 3. So if I divide this place by 3, I have x left there, and then is greater than or equal to 21 divided by 3. That will give me 7. So my final answer is s is greater than or equal to 7. That is the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more detailed video lessons like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.